Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have to unbox wallet. I know what you will say, yet another wallet, but what to do? I'm a fan of good wallets, so let's check this one. I really like when they send these small gifts, they are really amazing. And these are like from the wood, so they are really interesting. Thank you. So I ordered two kinds of this wallet. It is from the same company but different design, so you can check both of them. And this is like real leather. And this is this company, Coheart. So you can see they're making really good quality wallet. So this is for the coins here, and this is for the paper money. Let's check this different one. I already can smell real leather here from this one. You can see this attention and care how they put it here. So same company but different design, and I really like this one more because it is more fancy, you see here. And again, it have also for the paper money, for the cards and for the coins. And if you order from the link below, you will get the 10% discount on this company, and you can check also some other designs from this company. So let's check them in reality, how they work and perform. The size of the wallet is a perfect fit for your jeans, which makes it easy to carry it along always with you. This one is available in black and brown color. This company Coheart makes good quality leather wallets, so make sure to check their official store on Aliexpress in the link below. That will be all for this video. I wish your wallets are always full of money. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.